Hello. Welcome to bestvacuumcleaning.com. Top 10 robotic vacuum cleaners in 2021. You can buy on Amazon. Oofy by Anchor. Features: slim, 100 minutes battery life, self-charging, 3-filter mechanism, 12 months warranty. iRobot Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. Features: self-charging, 3-step cleaning, adjustable head, 90 minutes battery life, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, application controlled. Shark IQ Robot. Features: self-charging, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, application controlled, mapping, self-emptying dust box. iRobot Roomba 614 Robot Vacuum. Features: self-charging, 3-step cleaning, adjustable head, 90 minutes of battery life. Alife V's Pro Robot Vacuum. Features: self-charging, 100 minutes of battery life, remote controlled, 12 months warranty. iRobot Roomba E5. Features: Wi-Fi connectivity, self-charging, 3-step cleansing action, support Google Assistant and Alexa, application and voice controlled. iRobot BravoJet 240 Superior Robot Mop. Features: built-in spray mechanism, wet and dry cleaning. Oofy by Anchor. Boost IQ RoboVac 15C Max. Features: self-charging, application controlled, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, 12 months warranty. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus 7550 Robot Vacuum. Features: self-charging, application controlled, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, wet and dry cleaning, self-emptying dust box. EcoVax Dbot 500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Features: self-charging, application controlled, supports Google Assistant and Alexa, 110 minutes of battery life. Thank you for watching. For full review visit bestvacuumcleaning.com.